I, Dr. Sheenu Arora, Faculty of Department of Management Sciences of Technion Institute of Advanced Study, is going to deliver a lecture on downsizing, its concept, causes and implication. So, first of all, what is downsizing? Downsizing refers to the deliberate reduction of company's workforce or operational scope, often aimed at improving efficiency, cutting cost or responding to changing market condition. It is a strategic decision taken by organization to adjust to economic realities, technological advancement or structural inefficiencies. Although the term is most common associated with job cuts, it can also involve divesting business units, reducing production capacity or consolidating operations. So, the causes of downsizing. First one is economic pressure. Recession or financial downturn often compel organizations to reduce the expenses. Cutting the workforce is a common approach to managing declining revenues or preserving profitability. Second one is technology advancement. Automation and digital transformation have enabled organizations to perform tasks with fewer people, leading to job redundancies. Third one is mergers and acquisition. When the two companies merge, there is often an overlap of roles and functions. Downsizing helps eliminate redundancies and streamline operations. Fourth one is global competition. To remain competitive, companies may relocate operations to low cost regions or cutting operational cost through outsizing. Fifth one is restructuring and reorganization. A strategic realignment of business operation might lead to closure of non-profitable division or branches, necessitating workforce reduction. So, next topic is related to downsizing, that is methods of downsizing. First one is voluntary retirement scheme, VRS. Employees are encouraged to retire early with financial incentives. Second one is layoff. Termination of employees due to redundancies, usually without any fault on their part. Third one is attrition. Natural reduction in workforce through resignation and retirement without active recruitment. Next one is outsourcing. Transferring specific job functions to external agencies, reducing internal head count. So, the next topic is impact of downsizing on the employee. For those layoff, downsizing lead to job loss, financial insecurity and emotional stress. For the survivor, it often results in increasing workload, job insecurity and lower morale. On the organization, short-term gains, cost saving, learner operations and increasing stakeholder confidence. Second one is long-term risk. Loss of institutional knowledge, reduce employee loyalty and reputational damage. On the behalf of society, downsizing contributes to rising the unemployment and social instability, especially when it occurs on a large scale. The strategic consideration. Downsizing should be implemented with the care and transparency. Communication play a critical role in maintaining the trust. Organizations should provide a support system through career counseling and retraining programs. Ethical downsizing ensures the employees are treated with dignity and it's minimize the negative effect on the company's culture and image. So, at the end, we conclude the downsizing. While downsizing can offer financial and operational benefits, its implementation must be strategic and humane. The goal should not only be cost reduction but also the organizational sustainability. A balanced approach with long-term vision and employee welfare in focus is essential to make a downsizing a successful transformation tool rather than a short sign fix. This is all about downsizing. I hope you understand the topic of downsizing. So do like, share and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.